As mentioned before, we've shored up 3/4 of the total area that needs to be decked. Here we have 180 bags of cement. We also have material for the plumbing and the electrical work pictured here. I think this is where we left off in the last video, showcasing the steel work up to this point. So the columns are off, the wall bars are up. So we are just waiting now for the plumber and the electrician to come in and do their part. But as I'm sure you all are aware, everything has been on go slow, due in part to COVID and COVID curfew restrictions, and also because of the rains that we've been getting. So in the back, you can actually catch a glimpse of the water collection system that we set up earlier. Two black drums with the zinc placed strategically to collect rainwater. Well, hasn't worked so well up to this point, only because apparently in that area the rain's been falling on and off, not long enough to fill the barrels. So water is one of my current challenges. So right here you can see where the plumber has come in and did a portion of his work. There's only one bathroom on that side, so he was able to put in the plumbing work for that one bathroom. Because as mentioned before, only 3/4 of the decking area has been shored up. So on the other side will be another bathroom, and then he'll come in and do that when it's time. Here we have the electrician who's not camera shy, so we have the luxury of watching him work for a little bit.